Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show an example where sample mean is a consistent estimator of population mean, and I will show this using Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let me share Microsoft Excel first and then we will go further. Okay, go ahead. So let me share my Microsoft Excel here. Okay, fine. So let me maximize the screen or let me increase the font a little bit. Okay, fine. So what I will do here, so suppose, see, consistency is a property which is actually relevant to sample size. Okay. So sample mean is a consistent estimator of population mean means that as sample size increases, the value of sample mean is going close to the population mean. That is it. Okay, fine. So here I will take sample sizes. Then for corresponding sample sizes, I will compute sample mean also. Okay. So I'm going to type something here. Sample mean. Okay. Fine. So actually, this is going on. Right. I will do some. Okay. Fine. Modifications here. So in Excel, how to do this? Now, let me choose some sample sizes like okay, fine. Okay. So let me choose n is equal to 5. Then n is equal to say for example 10. Then 50. Then 500. Then 5,000. And then 10,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, fine. So these are the sample sizes. Okay. So here in column, I will take a sample. Now in Excel, I will go to find. Okay, fine. So this is data. I will go to data menu. Then I will go to data analysis where I'll go to data, fine. Then go to data analysis. And in data analysis, there is an option of generating random sample. Okay. So I will generate a random sample. Random number generation is there. I'll click OK. Okay. So I will generate a sample. Number of variables means how many sample you want actually. I want one sample. And firstly, I will compute or generate sample of size 5. And let us take an example of normal distribution. Okay, normal distribution. So suppose take mean as 5 and variance standard deviation 1, that is variance also 1. And I will choose output cell address as this. Okay, so I will get sample here in this cell B5 at B5. Finally, I will click OK. So in this way, I got a sample of size 5 from normal 5 comma 1. Okay, and see distribution of x is what? So it is actually normal. Okay, normal with mean 5 and standard deviation 1. Okay, this is the distribution. So in second column, I will generate a sample of random sample of size 10 from the same distribution. Okay, okay, fine. And what we are going to check as sample size increases, the corresponding statistic, that is sample mean, also goes to the population mean, that is 5. Okay, so see here I will compute actually. I will choose one thing here, average. You know, the command to compute mean of the data is average in Excel. So I have to select the data here. So what I will do actually, I will select so many values. Maximum sample size is 10,000, right? 10,000. So B5. The sample data start from B5, and I will take this as B5 to suppose I will give 20,000. Okay, or not 20,000 actually. Let us take 1 lakh or 60,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, fine. Okay. So see, I have to just drag the sales only now. So if you see the mean of this sample, which is of size 5, that has become 4.9. Okay, 4.92. Let us take two decimal places for this sample mean. Okay. Now next point is I will generate a random sample of size 10 from the same distribution. Okay, that is normal pi 1. So okay, so random numbers I want here. How many? 10. 10. Okay, now I will change the output as here. Okay, and I will select OK. Right. I will generate again the third sample of size 50 from the same distribution. Okay, so it is of size 50. Okay, I will give output range from as in this column, right? Okay, I'll click OK. Here I will generate a sample of size 500 from the same distribution, that is normal pi 1. Okay, I will just click here 500. I'll choose output cell as this. It means that we will get the sample from this cell. Okay, click OK. Next, I want actually sample of size 5000 from normal 51. So the same command I will repeat. So this is 5000, and I will change the output cell formula. That is, I want output in this from this cell. Okay. And last, I will take sample of size 10,000. 10,000. So, okay, random number generation. So it is 10,000 actually, 10,000, and I'll choose output cell address from this cell, and I'll click OK. Okay, and one more I will take, that is 20,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I want a sample of size 20,000 also from the distribution normal 5,1. Okay, so this is 20. So I want sample here. Okay, fine. So in this way, I got 20,000 observations. You see, the first sample is of size 5. That is, there are 5 observations here, then 10 observations, then 50 observations. Let us go below. If you see here, let me check like this. So this is the see at the end. So this is 50th observation. If you see here, the count is 50, right? At status bar. So there are 50 observations. Fine. Now I will compute the mean of these samples. Just I will drag this cell like this. Right. Now you see, as sample size increases, okay, the sample mean also approaches to the population mean, which is actually 5. So this is called as a property of consistency. So here sample mean is said to be consistent for population mean. So we have to verify like this. That's it. Hope you have got the meaning of this. Okay. As sample size go on increasing, the statistic also approaches to the population mean. Here, see, the population is normal 5, 1, and sample mean is consistent estimate for population mean, and population mean is 5. So as sample size increases, the value of sample mean also approaches to the population. So that is the meaning of this. Thank you.